Hi, I'm Michael Hoffman, the CEO of LeanMail, and I would like to share with you 3 reasons why it's imperative that you attend LeanMail's introductory workshop. First, let's face it, say what you will about email, it takes up a significant portion of your day, and most importantly, your energy. Increasing productivity around email is our core business. So come just to learn some important tips, even if you don't decide to venture further. Second, I will disclose to you why Microsoft, and Google for that matter, have made it physically impossible to reach the level of efficiency and effectiveness you are able to achieve in your other disciplines. I will also show you exactly what you need to do to immediately mitigate those barriers and get the success that you deserve. And third, as I record this, 94% of the people who attend our workshop continue to the demo training. 94%. These are enormously busy people just like you who have found so much value in the workshop that they immediately register for the next step. So I hope you will click on the link below to explore a new way of working in Outlook that puts an end once and for all to the long, frustrating searches and late or forgotten responses to important emails. Thank you.